Okay, we're going on a quick test drive here. Now that flickering on the screen there, that is not in person, that is just in camera. Just over 25,000 miles on the car. Got a really nice turning radius. It shifts nice and smooth. The car's really quiet. Suspension is really nice. The brakes feel good, and when you apply the brakes, the steering wheel does not shimmy or shake. Definitely has some get up and go. Okay, let's do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Looking at this wheel, the finish on it is amazing. I love that shine. A little residue here, a couple small chips. Overall, that wheel looks awesome. And looking at the front end, real quick to notate, the full front clip is wrapped in PPF paint protection film. Full front bumper, headlight, hood, and fenders. So that is there to protect it against rock chips. So you're gonna see these little bubbles every once in a while. That is just in the film, little air pockets. That fender looks amazing. You got PPF on the mirror here, that looks good. A-pillar has PPF as well, up to about right here. So that's protected. And here on the lower side, you do have a gash right there in the plastic. At the door, got a couple imperfections. You got film here in the door cups and on that door edge. For the most part, that door looks really nice. Do have a little scratch there. The massive roof. Overall, that door looks good. Quarter panel looks nice. That wheel looks good. A couple tiny scuffs, but otherwise in great condition. And looking at the front end here, like I said, full front clip PPF. So you're gonna have these little imperfections in the film. It's hard to tell if anything is underneath that film and actually impacted the paint. I'm not sure when this was applied, but it looks like it's done a great job at protecting that paint. Headlight looks awesome. Little rock impacts here and there, little bubbles in the film, but for the most part it's in great condition. That grille looks good. See these little bubbles and stuff. Overall though, very clean front end. Here in the engine bay, that looks really good. That underhood liner looks amazing. All right, looking at the driver's side. Fender looks nice. That wheel looks good. Door looks awesome. I don't see any damage on the mirror. A-pillar looks nice. See any damage anywhere. Little scuffs here and there, but all very minimal. Quarter panel looks good. That wheel looks nice. Beautiful, beautiful car. And checking out the trunk, you got this nice cargo net. That carpet looks amazing. And it is power, which is really nice. Soft close. Now looking at the back here, you do have a gash right there that does catch your nail. Upper section, that looks good. Taillight looks nice. You also have film here protecting that bumper edge. And then it has the Lexus logo in it, which looks good. And then you have a little imperfection right here. It's very subtle. Lower section looks nice. Beautiful back here. Looks really good. Okay, checking out the interior. It is a non-smoker and it smells really good in here. This color is amazing. You definitely have to see it in person. I'm sure in video it doesn't do it justice. It's a brown color, and you got the black here, got the wood grain, memory seating. Looks really good. You can see these cool lines in there. Looks awesome. Couple scuffs on the kick plate area. That bolster looks good. Overall, that's nice and clean. The seats have that nice matte finish to them. Love the steering wheel here, looks good. Buttons look awesome. Got the massive screen. It's very clean in here. Looks really good. All right, looking at this door panel. It's in great condition. Looks really good. Small scuff here. Floor mats look awesome. That bolster's perfect. I don't see any wear on it. See a small spot right here. Other than that, that seat looks good. That side of the console's clean. Dash looks amazing. This side looks almost perfect. On the back right panel, got your little shades. All of this looks good. I don't see anything that stands out as far as imperfections go. Carpet looks good. That seat back looks nice. Seats look really good. I love the color in here. All right, here on the back left door panel, got these awesome shades here, as well as the one in the middle. That door panel looks good. Has some really cool textures in that panel. Speaker cover looks amazing. That back seat looks good. Little marking on the seat right there. Otherwise, it looks really good back here.